English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 35.
I enjoy swimming.
He doesn't feel like playing tennis tonight. Do you miss skiing now that summer's here? We can't stand jogging. We're so unfit. I'm looking forward to running the marathon.
I've missed playing soccer since I broke my leg. I don't feel like running in the park with you now. I'm too tired. I can't stand working out in the gym. It's so boring. He likes watching basketball, and he plays it on weekends too. She absolutely loves diving, and she's very good at it.
Feel like. Cope with. Put off. Look forward to. Miss. Can't stand.
They arranged to play tennis this weekend.
I'm waiting to play badminton, but my friend's running late. Will you promise to teach me to swim? We wanted to play baseball yesterday, but it was raining.
I've arranged to go swimming today. You enjoy dancing, don't you? Do you want to see the match tonight? He can't stand watching soccer. You promised to play golf with me. I don't mind training with you.
I enjoy playing tennis. I arranged to play tennis. I miss playing tennis. I decided to play tennis. I enjoy playing basketball. I arranged to play basketball. I miss playing basketball. I decided to play basketball. I enjoy playing squash. I arranged to play squash. I miss playing squash. I decided to play squash.
On Sports Update today, we welcome Olympic cyclist Kofi Oze to the studio. Kofi, congratulations on winning gold medals in 2 consecutive Olympics.
Thanks.
Tell us about your amazing Olympic journey.
Well, after the last Olympics, I promised to coach the team. Then, the directors arranged to meet me and said they'd like me to be in the next Olympic squad. I was flattered, but thought I'd struggle to win another medal. I'm not getting any younger, but eventually I decided to go for it. I managed to do my training and was thrilled to win Olympic gold again.
So what's next for you?
A family holiday. Then I hope to win the Tour de France next year. I can't wait to take part in more competitions.
Best of luck, Kofi. It's been great talking to you.
End of lesson 35.